Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Sign into your Google account and open Settings, then tap Google and Backup. You need to confirm which account is active because the backup toggle affects that profile. Once you see Backup to Google Drive, make sure Wi-Fi is on so uploads don't stall, and keep your device charged above 20%. Now tap the switch to stop automatic backups. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to note which services we're backing up, like app data and photos. Once done with the main toggle, drill down into specifics. Disable app data, call history, contacts, and device settings individually so you control what stops syncing. Open Google Drive, choose Backups to inspect any existing device snapshots, and delete ones you no longer want. Deleting here removes storage usage. For photos and videos, go to Google Photos settings and turn off backup and sync separately because it's managed apart. Make sure to confirm each change and wait for finish by verifying. Go back to Settings, right arrow Google, right arrow Backup, and confirm each toggle is off. Don't skip this check. Then review your Google account storage to ensure backups were removed and space reflects the change. If a toggle refuses to change, try signing out and back in, or clear the Settings or Google Play Services cache because stale cache often blocks updates. Finally, make sure you understand turning off backups means newer data won't be saved. Consider manual exports if you need historical copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.